welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Asmi and today I wanted to make a vlog because I am going to Xperia. So I'm not actually at my house right now or near my house in Pune. I'm actually in Mumbai, Dombivli right now, and that's where Xperia is. Xperia is also near Palava and it's really awesome. I've lived there for like 2 years and I really loved it there. But right now we're going there for some shopping. Right now my dad actually got some ice cream.
There's even like butterscotch, like
those kind of beans they put on. That's also there. It's really amazing. I finally reached there, and every time I go there I see this new decoration, and this time there was this India sign which had like a bunch of neon lights and it looked so cool. The first stop we made was at H&M and they had so much cool stuff there. We went to Zudio and a bunch of other places. It took us a while to find the ones that I actually liked, but we found a few things that I liked, so that's what we bought. I just came back from the mall and here are a few things that I got. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any recommendations to me, then let me know in the comment sections down below. And I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye!